Well, it's off, getting ready to go to the big junkyard in the sky. Pretty much everything out.
Got out of hand with the can opener
Yeah,
again.
yeah. A slight accident on the way to the car show today. Hey, safety first. Oh, the hood almost fell off. Oh my god. Let me give her a whack. Oh, it's not aerodynamic now, though.
Oh, yeah, I got this.
Yeah.
You gotta be able to see.
Yeah, you can't see. Yeah, she's a beauty. Poor car. So rotten. Look at this. This patches. Bondo. It's like 3 inches thick. This thing nobody needed to ever drive. Look at this. They patched the fender with a whole other part of a fender. What's that? Look at that. And the doors and everything is just, it's really good bodywork.